Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Delucchi here. I'm going to read a story called Math for All Seasons, and I need your help counting some of the objects here. Now we're not going to just count 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to use our skip counting abilities to see if we can speed count some of these fun pictures, okay? Math for All Seasons by Greg Tang and illustrated by Harry Briggs. It's mind-stretching math riddles. I'm only going to read a couple of the seasons. So parents, if you decide to purchase this book, it does have more fun pictures in it that go along with the winter months. And because it's spring, I just want to think of flowers. Bright bulbs, canals and bikes and windmills too, grassy fields and stripes, skies of blue. In Holland, spring's the time of year for pretty flowers far and near. How many tulips are in bloom? A clever tact you must assume. Mixing colors is the way to make a really smart bouquet. Okay, so how do you see a pattern here? How can we count these without counting each flower individually? I notice that if you're looking down, there's a group here. There's a similar group here, and another group over here. So let's count this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, a group of 5. This looks the same, and this looks the same. Let's count by 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15. Were you able to get 15 super fast without counting them all? Very good. You can always pause the video if you need to count them too. Good job, boys and girls. Okay. Without counting them all. Raining cats and frogs. They say it's raining cats and dogs. Why not lizards, snakes, or frogs? Next time the weather's getting wet, forget the forecast, call a vet. Can you count the dots you see? Try to add them cleverly. Group them in a special way. Make sums of 10 this rainy day. So they want us to add a group of 10 together. Okay, so if we're taking a look at the umbrellas, how many dots do you see on this umbrella? 1, 2, 3, okay. How many is on this umbrella? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 5, 6, 7, 8, that's not a group of 10. Let's look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so making groups of 10. I'll give you a second. How can I make a group of 10? So this was 7, and this is 3. And I know that 7 plus 3 is what? 10. So this would be one group of 10. Now over here, we had 5 dots on this umbrella and 5 dots on this umbrella. So that would make 5 plus 5, which would be another group of 10 over here. Very good. Making us think, using our brains here for this fun book. The shell game. The sun is rising on the farm. Cows are sitting in the barn. The pigs are rolling in the muck. In the coop, the chickens cluck. How many chicks have hatched today? Try to find a clever way. To quickly count this chirping batch, subtract the one that's yet to hatch. Okay, so how many eggs do you see? Quickly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's a group of 3, another group of 3, and another group of 3, where you can go away across like this. Now this is skip counting by 3s, which might be a little bit harder. Instead of counting them each individually, which you could do to check, let's see if we can count by 3s. 3, 6, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Then it said to subtract the one that has not hatched. One of them has not hatched. So what's 9? Take away 1. What's 1 less than 9? Did you say 8? Very good. 8 of the chicks have hatched, and one of them has yet to hatch. Very good. That was 2 math problems they wanted us to do. This one's fun because Easter is going to be coming up in a few weeks. Easter art. A canvas made of fragile shells. A palette filled with soft pastels. Each becomes a painted prize, a treasure in a child's eyes. Can you count each work of art? Here's a hint before you start. When it's paintings that you view, try to think in groups of 2. Okay, so we've been talking about counting by 2. So counting them without counting them each individually. Ready? Group of 2, group of 2, group of 2, group of 2. Uh-oh, that one could go with that one that's all alone, right? A group of 2 and a group of 2. Let's see if we can count by 2s now. This is a little bit trickier. Some of us are getting really good at this though. Ready? Sometimes when I count by 2s, I think of the other number in my head, like 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You might want to do that one again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Very good. I believe we'll get a couple more. This one says, hot tips. My ice cream's melting in the sun. It makes a mess before I'm done. All my clothes are many drips. Drat this cone with broken tips. Can you count up all the scoops? Try to first make clever groups. Instead of counting row by row, simply add the cone below. So they gave us a hint. We're going to add the cone below. How many scoops are in? Look at that, looks so yummy, huh? How many scoops are in this one? 1, 2. Kind of looks like that all the way across. And how many scoops are on the bottom? 1, 2, 3. Looks like that all the way across. Do you see a pattern if you're looking at the cones below? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's a group of 5. That means that's a group of 5. That's a group of 5. And that's another group of 5. So can we count by 5s to count all the scoops instead of counting them each one by one? Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. Very good. You can double check to make sure there are 20. Nice job. Madam Butterfly, my life has taken quite a turn. I used to be a lowly worm. Now I spread my wings and fly. Look how cool a bug am I. How many dots adorn these wings? See what clever thinking brings. There is a mate for everyone. Make groups of 10 and you'll be done. Okay, so groups of 10. So let's see if we can count the dots on the actual butterflies. Well, this one only has 2. This butterfly has 4 dots. 4, 5, 6. That's not a group of 10. How many dots does this butterfly have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one has 8. So which other butterfly would make it have 10 or would add to equal 10? 8 and 2 more. 8 dots, 9, 10. So those 2 would make a group of 10. So let's check to see if these 2 would make a group of 10 dots. Ready? 2, 4, 6. So I'm counting by 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These ones would give us a group of 10. Let's count those by 2s again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Very good. And that's the end of our counting book. So again, this book is called Math for All Seasons. There's some other fun pictures in here. It keeps going on all the way to Halloween counting, turkey counting, snowflake counting, and more. Thanks again, boys and girls. Take care. Bye.